Hey guys, Jenna here running FloatyTattoo. I'm here to bring you this awesome machine. Well, I don't know if it's awesome. We're going to try it right now. It's called the Vipera from XNetTattooSupply.com. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's check it out. Okay, let's open up the Vipera in this nice Xnet carrying case. Came with the cord as well for the RCA connection and a manual. All right, nice little carrying case. Got a nice foam insert here to protect it. Nice traveling case. We have the RCA connection, looks like. It's a little different looking. Sort of juts out. Accessories. Charging cable. Okay, there we go. There's the battery and looks very cool looking. Pretty small. And last but not least, the machine. Looks like it is in an awesome red color. Dang, this thing is... Oh, and then it already has a battery on it, which is awesome because we don't want it any bigger than this. And we get two. So boom, 2 batteries right there. 130 bucks. And we get the RCA connection as well. So it probably just comes off. Whoop, real easy. I like the way that the battery and the RCA connection actually twist on and off. I feel like it's a little more secure than just a magnet. So it does have an extra little twist there to keep it on. And let's just look at the smallest this machine can possibly be. Here it is. This is without the battery, and we can see it's 2.4 to 4.2 millimeter stroke. I rather do like the ease of the stroke changes with the dial. It's pretty easy to turn, not too noisy or clicky. And the grip. So I don't think too much about the shape of grips because I always put on my floaty grip, but mostly the weight of the grip we just want to make sure is at the tip. And there it is, still at the tip, which is good. So that's the smallest the machine can possibly be right there. You can see the size of it there with my hand. And it is pretty compact. Here's the battery again, so you can see the difference in the sizes of the, it's just very minor. So you have still very compact design, probably still fits. Yep, it is still smaller than my hand size altogether. So, yeah, I'd like to try it out. It's a good weight to it. Kind of curious what the grams are. Some more information for you guys here on the Vipera. It's 275 grams, 145 millimeters in length, diameter is 36 millimeters. So all that's great. Of course, you have all those strokes. If you want to look at this battery now, let's check out the battery. So it just has this button here that says Xnet, not an on-off switch. And there you go. And it's on. And now that becomes a pause button. Let's see, on the side we have the up and down dial. What I'm noticing is that the buttons are pretty quiet and comfortable. We like that pretty screen, nice big display, 0.1 increments. All right, so that's what the Vipera looks like. It's very cool. Now let's see what it feels like on the silicone. Okay, we have the Vipera here now. I put my floaty grip on it. There it is. It makes it a lot more comfortable for me personally. And that's what it looks like. Alrighty, let's take a look. We have a 3-round liner, an 11-round shader, and a 9 curve mag. There they are. We will start with the 3. Okay, let's get this cartridge on. It's fitting really nicely on the machine. Okay, so I have the 3 liner on. There is a subtle kind of vibration sort of to the needle that I didn't notice with this needle before. I'm hoping that's just sound. Got a little ink on it now. I'm still hearing it. Okay, I'm at 3.6. I'm gonna try a line. This is at 7.8 volts. Not too happy with that actually. It looks like it's skipping a little on the surface, which is kind of what I thought with that vibration. Could it be my stroke length? I'm just going to come down to 3.3 now and just see if it's that. Okay, that made it worse. All right, so it's not using the 3 that well so far. I try to give honest reviews on here, so if there's a company sending me something just because it has adjustable strokes, we're still going to try it and on the silicone and things like that. So we do want to see consistent lining. So far it's been pretty hard with this machine. Let's just play around with it and make sure it's not me, but there's just a funny kind of feeling to it. It feels like maybe the motor's a little weak. It's definitely not penetrating as well now, bringing the voltage down. I can't really feel the surface of the silicone as well as I would like to. There should be some feedback. Okay, yeah, that's pretty patchy and strange. I'm not sure that it would go through the skin all at the same level, regardless of what level I'm at. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna try this 5 liner because I want to try something a little bigger. All right, let's pop on this 5 liner. I'm at 7.5 volts and I'm at 3.6 for the stroke. This is a 5 liner. Should handle a little better since it's slightly bigger. As far as the wobbliness, I do feel like it's a little bit straighter than that 3, but there's still just a little bit of wobble I do see in the line. It's just not, oh, let's see if you guys can see that. That line just has subtle variations, just within one line, subtle weight variations that make it denser and then thinner and denser and thinner, really in a quick manner. So that's wobble. Can you use this machine? Yes, you can use it. Can you tattoo people? Yeah, you could tattoo someone with this. It's getting into the silicone, but it's not doing it consistently as I would like. Now I'm having trouble penetrating as I move a little faster with the machine. I'm seeing that it's just not getting in. So probably just a weak motor. I don't think we have to spend too long on the small one. Let's try putting in something bigger. I have an 11-round shader now. So let's utilize that 3.9 stroke because we can go up a little. We want to see if that helps get the larger needle grouping to penetrate. Definitely feel a little more hit at 3.9. I still feel some wobble. Yep, I do see just subtle wobble in that line. I feel the wobble too. I can feel the needle skipping around a little bit and not staying completely straight. I'm feeling like I need to slow down to keep the needle straighter. I can make it straight, but I don't know how well this is actually going to tattoo with the weaker motor. I do think it was smart to make a larger design, like a thicker grip, a heavier design for a machine with a weaker motor. So it is getting in again, but it's just not as saturated as I would like, and it just feels like it's skipping and bouncing a little on the surface. I can come back down and stroke just to show that it's not because I'm too high in my stroke length. Back down to 3.6. Feel some resistance. Not as much feedback on the surface. Okay. Doesn't really feel like it's getting in properly at that stroke length. And yeah, pretty patchy. Okay. So failed on the liners, failed on the shader, round shader. So what do we got left? We have this curved mag. Sorry guys, it's just how it goes. All right, let's do it. Okay, I have it at 3.5 millimeter stroke at 7 volts here to start. This is a 9 curved mag. So this actually really shows what's wrong with this machine, because normally I don't ever, let's see. Yeah, in a decent machine, you shouldn't get this scattered peppering that's happening in here. I'm just gonna bring it a little closer. Can you see that? Yeah, that's just showing me that the needles are like getting in kind of at different depths, and then you're getting more of a scrape out of one needle than another. Again, just that the needles are wobbling. This is just how the artifact looks now that we have this 9 curve mag. The artifact is going to be a little different. I like this review. I'm not going to make any money, but I might get some views. Can you show me doing a circle?
I'll bring some cred.
Bring some cred. Cred. Yeah, if anyone is talking shit about me doing only positive reviews, I don't f***ing hear it. Bleep that out. All right, I'm definitely feeling on the edging, a lot of pushing in either direction, kind of pushing me off of my line. Good, another cool display of what's wrong with this a little bit. Yeah, so there you can see, there we go. In the edging, again, just that variation. It's just mild peppering imperfection to how the needle strikes are coming in. Just within the one line here. Just look at one line, if that helps. There you go. Very peppery patchy. Well, should we keep going? I don't think so. I think we've done enough, guys. Okay, I don't have a discount for you anyway, but if you want to find this machine for any reason, it is on the Xnet tattoosupply.com. So that's a Vipera for you guys. Well, I like this floaty grip. Let's make it a plug on that. I can't support this machine because it didn't pass the silicone test, which is super important on the floaty channel. But this is a great floaty grip. It fit this very large machine because my husband makes them, and he makes them in all different sizes. So please follow the link in the description below. And don't forget, we're gonna do more stuff in the future. Smash that like button and the real subscribe button. All right, bye guys.
Thank you. Bye.